This is a rather unorthodox version of Tyler's Total Randomness. We are on the senior class trip. There's Domino Sugars back there, and I'm getting weird looks from the audience. Shall we venture over?
You have to tell them what they're on.
Guys, you're on Tyler's Total Randomness right now. And then the influencer laughing their heads off.
You guys are on Tyler's Total Randomness.
Yeah, we're pretty much on a dinner cruise right now. It's been totally awesome, and I've been acting like a complete idiot since like 8 or 9 o'clock. Okay, let's venture around until the light gets so poor you can't see my face, which you probably want already. You probably don't want to see my face anyway, even though I'm walking backwards and likely to run into something. Can you still see me? To my left is the Baltimore Aquarium at night. Beautiful, isn't it? I know. I haven't been in there for like 2 years or more. Yeah. Here's some mellowed out people who are resting for the night.
You just said there's mellowed out people.
No.
You ruined it.
No.
Okay, people, forget
Wow,
the
I can't even see you.
Really? Well, you can still hear my voice, right? So yeah, that's all that matters. Yeah,
You
there's
can
some
hear my
people
voice.
that are like, yeah.
Chilling.
Over here you can see
pretty sure.
Baltimore. Beautiful, I know. Okay, let's turn around the camera to the host. Let's turn the camera to the host and go back here, shall we? Okay. I wonder if this will actually manage to be a 3-minute video. Who knows?
I'm gonna go throw my
Shall we do some interviews? Let's see who can be done.
Weston, get an interview.
Have you enjoyed your day thus far?
It's been amazing. I loved it.
Really now?
Yeah, pretty much so.
Like, oh my gosh.
Whoa. Okay.
I know. Hey, Cody, want to be on TTR?
And she ignored
Not
it.
yet. What, you don't want to be on TTR?
She's on the phone.
Yeah, I know, but still, I interrupt people. Who wants to be interviewed over here? Okay, Rocky, how long has the day been?
It was a long day.
Did you enjoy it?
I enjoyed the aquarium. I find fish amusing when they swim.
Nice. Okay, let's move on to someone with less rock in their head.
Whoa, what's your glasses?
Whoa, Rocky, put that down. Okay. Yeah, well, hope you enjoyed this really unfocused episode of Tyler's Total Randomness, episode 16. See you later. Bye.